This right here is the VOLPAM electric scooter, and it's way better than I thought. What's up, guys? My name is TJ. Today I'm going to be reviewing this VOLPAM kids electric scooter. Now, this scooter is going to be suitable for a kid that's age 8 to 12, and this supports up to 155 pounds. I'm 150 pounds, so in this video, you're going to be seeing me riding the scooter. It's simply for demonstration purposes. It is for a kid, but I'm still within that weight limit. It actually pulled me around just fine, and I was still able to hit the top speed of 9 miles an hour, and it felt pretty nice even with me on it. One of the best things I do love about this scooter is it's very light. You can lift this up with one hand and you can throw this in a car. However, it does not fold. That's not a deal breaker to me because it takes up little room. You don't really have to fold it and store it away. You can kind of just push it into a corner of a wall or on the side of a wall, and it's so slim, it's going to take up basically no room. And I was able to fit this in the trunk of my hatch, no problem. Now, the best part about this scooter is when it shows up to your door, it's going to have 2 screws that you have to install right here on the bottom. You just have to put the bars on, put the 2 screws on, and this thing is done. So if you're going to be getting this for your child for birthday, Christmas, a surprise, and you want to build this thing overnight, all you have to do is put it together. It comes with its hole, takes you 30 seconds to screw that together, and then just plug it in and charge it. You're going to be the parent of the year having this thing ready to go on Christmas morning for a birthday or just last minute surprise. Now, this is going to have a really bright LCD screen that I do love, and that's pretty nice. You don't really see that a lot on kids scooters. So that is definitely a cool like tech piece that the kid will love, and it's very easy to see. When this starts up, it does make a sound. You can hear that sound, and then when you shut it off, it makes a beeping. So you are able to keep an eye on your child when they're riding the scooter. You can know when they power it on. I haven't figured out how to turn off that sound, so I think it's always going to be on. Now, you do have 3 different gear modes. This is going to have a 3 mile an hour, a 6 mile an hour, and a 9 mile an hour. It's not too jerky. It's not too fast. It's definitely controllable, and it's actually really safe because you have 3 different types of braking on this. So you're going to have the regular electric ABS. So when you let off of the throttle, it's going to kind of just coast down on its own with the hub motor. And you're going to be able to use the electronic handbrake right here. So that'll actually brake it electronically, which is awesome. I've actually never seen that on a scooter. So that seems like a very nice safety feature. That is a huge upgrade. You also are going to get the foot brake on the back that you can stand on it and it'll brake on the tire. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. All right, so as we take a closer look on this, we're going to notice the brake in the back. It's really nice. You can stand on this very easy. It's like spring loaded, and you can see the tires are going to be like more of a flatter surface, which I do like for a kid because it's actually going to help them balance a little bit easier. And these are actually going to be 6.5 inch, and they're solid tires, so there's zero maintenance. You don't have to pump these up, and you also don't have to deal with punctures on the tires as well. Now, taking a look at this deck, really nice size. It's going to be pretty wide. It fit my foot, no problem. And it's going to have like a kind of like a rubberized material on here, so it's going to be grippy. Even if your feet are a little bit wet, it's going to be no problem. And you even get a little bit of grip going up here on the front. These are those 2 bolts I'm talking about. As soon as you put those in, this thing is built and ready to go. So this is going to serve as a nice fender too. So if you are riding in like light rain or something like that, it's going to protect it. Also, you get one in the front too, so it keeps that dirt and debris off of you. And not to mention, these wheels look pretty cool because they have like a 5 spoke in here, so that's pretty awesome. I love the design in here, and the deck just looks cool. Definitely for a kid, very colorful. As we look here on the handlebars, we're gonna have some really nice grips that I actually fell in love with. I couldn't believe how nice these are. I actually would like these on an e-bike or some more of my personal e-scooters just because they are so nice and grippy, and they just look cool, but they feel really nice in the hand. I can't say enough nice things about those grips. Those are definitely like one of the nicest grips I've ever seen. Electronic brake is right here, something I've never seen before. Really nice, and I love how it's red because it just highlights that like brings your attention if you need a brake. The throttle is really nice. You can see there's like an indent, kind of like a taper, so your thumb can go in here really nice. Press it down and kind of just stay in there. It's real tapered. If you hold in the power button, it turns it on. and then you're gonna get that nice startup. It's gonna show you your battery life. I did charge this to full, and I was riding around for a good amount of time on this demonstration, and I went down 1 bar. It does have miles per hour. If you hit this button 3 times, you can actually switch it between kilometers and miles per hour, so no problem there. We're gonna have this as the eco mode. You hit this menu button, and you're gonna switch over to the regular mode, and then it's kind of like a sport mode after that. So this is gonna be 3 miles an hour, 6 miles an hour, 9 miles an hour, and then you're gonna have your miles per hour displayed here digitally. So that is so cool, and I definitely love that. All you got to do is hold that in. It'll power that off. I love how it has a nice taper design, and you're gonna have all the cables run into the actual framing. Real nice and sleek. And you even get this awesome kickstand that is the perfect height too, because this doesn't like wobble or anything. It just like sits on the kickstand perfectly, and I love that. On the back side here, we are gonna have the charging port. Very easy to charge it, and then you get a nice plug that you can push in here and block that so you don't get any rain or water in your battery. Overall, guys, my final thoughts is this scooter impressed me 100%. If you're looking for the perfect gift that's going to be quick, easy build that anybody can build, this is definitely something that I recommend. Your kid is going to have a great time on this scooter. It's so fun to ride. I had a great time on it. Very safe, has all of the tech, looks really cool, very light. Throw this in your car and just have an amazing time with a very quick charging time as well. Gives you a lot more time to actually ride and enjoy the scooter. This thing is awesome. I highly recommend it. Make sure you add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.